Hi friends, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the importance of staffing and the various duties and responsibilities of HRM. First point is efficient performance of other functions. For the efficient performance of other functions of management, staffing is its key. Since if an organization does not have the competent personnel, then it can't perform the functions of management like planning, organizing, and control functions properly. Second point is effective use of technology and other resources. What is staffing and technology's connection? It is the human factor that is instrumental in the effective utilization of latest technology, capital, material, etc. The management can ensure the right kinds of personnel by performing the staffing function. Staffing leads to optimum utilization of human resources and other resources by avoiding overmanning, preventing underutilization of human resources, and identifying shortage of human resources in advance and obtaining such resources well in time. Next point is development of human capital. Another function of staffing is concerned with human capital requirements. Since the management is required to determine in advance the manpower requirements, therefore, it has also to train and can also be motivated by financial and non financial incentives. Next point is building high morale. The right type of climate should be created for the workers to contribute to the achievement of the organizational objectives. Therefore, by performing the staffing function effectively and efficiently, the management is able to describe the significance and importance which it attaches to the personnel working in the enterprise. Now we are going to learn about the term staffing as a part of human resource management, that is HRM. It is the responsibility of all the managers to directly deal with and select people to work for the organization. When the manager performs the staffing function, his role or responsibilities include placing the right person on the right job, introducing new employees to the organization, training employees, and improving their performance, developing their abilities, maintaining their morale, and protecting their health and physical conditions. In small organizations, managers may perform all duties related to employees' salaries, welfare, and working conditions. But as organizations grow and the number of persons employed increases, a separate department called the Human Resource Department is formed, which has specialists in managing people. The number of the human resources specialist and size of this department gives an indication of size of the business. For a very large company, the human resource department itself will contain specialists for each function of this department. The human resource management, that is HRM, includes many specialized activities and duties which a human resources personnel must perform. The important duties of HRM are recruitment, that is search for qualified people. Next is analyzing jobs and collecting information about jobs to prepare job descriptions. Third one, developing compensation and incentive plans. Next point is training and development of employees for efficient performance and career growth. Then maintaining labor relations and union management relations. Handling complaints. Providing for social security and welfare of employees. Defending the company in law suits and avoiding legal complications. These are the important duties of HRM. Staffing is an inherent part of human resource management as it is the practice of finding, evaluating, and establishing a working relationship with people for a purpose. It is important to understand that staffing is both a function of management, just like planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, as well as a distinct functional area of the management, just as marketing management and financial management. The other important duties of human resource manager are recruiting the right people for the right job. The success of recruiters and employment specialists generally is measured by the number of the positions they fill and the time it takes to fill those positions. Recruiters who work in house as opposed to companies that provide recruiting and staffing services play a key role in developing the employer's workforce. They advertise job postings, source candidates, screen applicants, preliminary interviews, and coordinating hiring efforts with managers responsible for making the final selection of candidates. Next point is maintaining a safe environment. Workplace safety is an important factor. Under the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1970, employees have an obligation to provide a safe working environment for employees. For the success of every organization, there should be a good relationship between employer and employee. The main duty of the HRM department or HRM is to make or ensure good relationship among employer and employee. These are the important duties of HRM. Thank you.